Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I hope you are doing well at home. I am fine. You are most welcome to the online class of SBR Shaitkali Secondary School. Today I will discuss about right form of verbs. Welcome introduction. A Sobor assistant teacher SBR Shaitkali High School. Bagarpada, Jashore, class 8, subject English second paper, topics right form of verbs. Here is an audio clip. Let us understand what is the singer do. He sang a song. Look at the picture. Many kinds of flowers. How do the flowers look? What is the parts of speech of these words in the circles? She sang a song. This sentence sang. The flowers look beautiful. This sentence look is verb. Today our topics right form of verbs. Learning outcomes. After these lessons, we will be able to write the sentence using right form of verbs. Fill the gaps with right form of verbs with clue. Next, look at the picture and the sentence. Mother loves her child. Ice melts in head. Trees gives us oxygen. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? Simple or present simple tense. Can you tell why the sentence are present? Do the sentence express universal truth? If the sentence is universal truth, it will be sentence simple tense. Laughs, melts and gives. Gives answer using right form of verbs. Now write your khata. The sun dash rays in the east. It dash give us light. It dash be the most important source of energy. For some truth, the sun dash set in the west. Rises, gives, is and sets. Look at the picture and the sentence. He reads the Holy Quran every day. They attended the multimedia class regularly. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? Present simple tense. Can you tell why the sentence are present simple? If in the sentence there is every day or always or regularly or occasionally or usually or often or sometimes or generally, the will be present simple tense. Everybody regularly reads, etc. Give answer using right form of verbs. The boy dash goes to school regularly. He dash study attentively every day. He always dash speak the truth. He and his parents often dash visit there. Goes, studies, speaks and visit. Look at the picture and the sentence. Rana is playing cricket now. The wheel is moving on the line at this moment. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? Present continuous tense. Can you tell why the sentence are present? Present continuous tense. If in the sentence there is now or at this moment or at a time, the sentence will be present continuous tense. Is playing now, is moving at his moment. Give answer using right form of verbs. Dash, we, was, are, race now, are watching. The man dash read a horse at this moment, is reading. Look at the picture and sentence. I have recently visited Cox's Bazar. The train has just reached the station. Thus, which tense is expressed by the sentence? Present perfect tense. Have visited, has reached. Can you tell why the sentence are present perfect tense? If in the sentence here is already just now etc, the will be present perfect tense. Recently, just, reached. Give answer using right form of verbs. Individual work. They already leaves the place. She just bracket finish her homework. Tofu lately get student visa or USA. Write your khata and solve this answer. They have already left the place. She has just finished her homework. And Tofu has lately got student visa for USA. Look at the picture and the sentence. It has been raining since morning. They have been enjoying rainfall on our. Which tense is expressed by the sentence? Present perfect continuous tense. Has been reading, raining, has been enjoying. Can you tell why the sentence are present perfect continuous tense? If in the sentence there is for, since, time, the will be present perfect continuous tense. Since morning, for, 1 hour. Give answer using right form of verbs. The boys fly, kites since morning. The boys have been flying kites since morning. The dog dig the soil for an hour. The dog has been digging the soil for an hour. Pair work or individual work. Write the sentence using right form of verbs. She read a book now. Read bracket. They work in the garden for half an hour. Work bracket. Your solution is reading. Have been working. Pair work or individual work. Next, write the student celebrate school's cultural program every year. Tigers be symbols of strength and courage. Usain Bolt just touched the finishing line of the race. Now your answer. Celebrate or has just touched. Evaluation. Look at the picture. Take verb from the box and fill in the gaps. Use right form of the verbs. Leave, walk, sleep, take. Mr. P.K. Haldar dash in the open air every morning. She feels fresh. Today he dash already a meal. Now dash rest sitting on a bench. A dog dash for 1 hour near the bench. Now your answer. Walk, has already walked, is taking, has been sleeping. Now homework. Draw the structure of all kinds of stains as my down structure in this class. Thank you very much. See you again next class. Thank you everybody. Thank you.